Oh, my first.
Jenning.
Hello.
Hi.
Guys, where are we? We're gonna look back on this in 20 years and be like,
sunset.
damn, we were cool once.
Senior sunset. Check it out. There's the sun. Fernando! Oh my gosh, look, it's Ethan.
Oh, here it comes. Didn't you wear that yesterday?
2 days ago?
This is a dirty shirt.
Is it dirty?
No,
Does it smell? Let's give it a smell test. How's it smell? Oh, it smells good? That's good. Mr. Jackson?
Should I not?
Yeah.
This is the cool camera. Oh, he didn't even say anything. It's Aura. We're fun.
No, you gotta mog in the sunlight.
How's Chase? Hi, Chase. Chase, where are you going?
Going to Lehigh.
Wait, you know what we should do? We should do where am I going to be in 10 years?
Rep the Patriot League.
Let's not.
Should we?
Yeah, and then we
No
never,
idea where I'm gonna be in
and
10
then we
years.
never
say
see
5
the
years?
slip again.
So in 2 years, I'm gonna apply to nursing school. Hopefully I get in, and then I'm gonna be a full-time nurse. Maybe I'll be a travel nurse. Maybe I'll be a... Shut the fuck up! Trying to video. In 5 years, hopefully I would have graduated from nursing school and be a full-time nurse.
In 5 years, I'm gonna be on the U.S. men's national team for swimming, and I'm gonna be a professional swimmer.
All right, Thomas, where are you going to be in 5 years?
All right, in 5 years, I'm going to be making videos for somebody. Either somebody famous, maybe a movie person, or a YouTuber.
He's gonna be making movies for Nintendo.
In 5 years,
Living at home for
at
me.
home, going to Mason.
Okay, how about Ethan?
Probably.
Living at home, hopefully with a job. Just keeping it realistic.
In 5 years, I'm gonna be happy.
Aw,
Yeah.
that's nice. Look at everybody here. This is so fun. Oh, they're doing handstand. Oh, give me a handstand.
That hurt so much, I fell.
She bounces.
In 5 years,
Where are you going to be?
I will be overseas, thinking Trinidad and Tobago.
Whoa.
I'm gonna be teaching my 3rd grade class.
Oh,
I'm gonna be teaching my 4th grade class.
probably. I want to work for the Los Angeles Dodgers. I want to be sideline reporting for the Dodgers in LA. Hopefully, graduated college and moving to New York.
Agreed, graduated college and probably still living in Virginia, but loving it.
I'm gonna be teaching a class. I'm gonna have my own class. Aww. And it's gonna be a cute class.
When am I gonna be in 5 years?
It'll be your birthday in 5 years today.
It will be, in 5 years today, it will be my 23rd birthday. I don't know
Wow.
where I'll be, but yeah. I'm gonna be traveling the world, exploring what the world has to offer.
Japan specifically.
And I'm going to Japan! I'm going to Japan, and Ariana's coming with me. And it's gonna be so sick.
Where am I gonna be in 5 years? Working for the Baltimore Orioles.
Where are you going to be in 5 years?
A nurse, hopefully traveling in Hawaii.
Where are you going to be in 5 years?
Probably more school to do something in the medical field.
Okay, 5 years?
Hopefully either owning a salon or a brand manager at a cosmetic company.
5 years. Where are you going to be in 5 years?
I'll be a computer engineer.
Sick.
I'm here.
5 years.
I'm gonna be flying fighter jets in the Air Force.
Where are you going to be in 5 years?
I'm gonna be graduating college, bro. You know, starting my degree in like like a big company, bro.
You're gonna be a manager,
a millionaire,
a manager
bro.
at McDonald's, boy. At McDonald's.
5 years, I'm gonna be successful. I'm gonna be with all my friends. I'm gonna be living my life.
That's good. That's good. Anthony, where are you going to be in 5 years?
Rich.
Homeless.
5 years from now, I'll be doing cybersecurity and contributing to the server farm problem.
Running my own business.
I want to be an automotive engineer, working for the CIA. I'm gonna be outside Walmart with a cup. Bro, you're gonna be this. I'm gonna be working for any sports team that'll take me.
Millionaire in my Ferrari E12.
Hopefully successful and still the best dressed.
Where are you going to be in 5 years?
I'm gonna be in vet school still.
Where are you going to be in 5 years?
5 years, I'll be in my last year of college and hopefully starting work at a lab.
5 years.
Hopefully med school.
Cool. Cameron, where are you going to be in 5 years?
A nurse, hopefully.
5 years.
5 years, I'm gonna be in law school.
Okay. Olivia? 5 years.
Hopefully living in Charleston, working as a nurse.
Okay. 5
In
years.
5 years, I want to be in the FBI. I didn't specify. Also in Charleston, living with Olivia. Or next door.
Where's Olivia? Wow, that one. Lacey, where are you going to be in 5 years?
What am I doing in 5 years? I'm gonna be working at the United Nations and I'll be a language specialist.
Cool.
I don't know, I'm gonna be like the CEO of my own company. I will be rich and happy. I hope that I'm getting my master's. I already have my master's and I'm a midwife. Not a cool wife, just a midwife.
That was a good one.
I'm gonna be hopefully in law school.
I thought you were going to say homeless.
I was thinking about that. I'm gonna be homeless. I don't know. Hopefully in the FBI.
In 5 years, I'm going to be making movies or making videos for somebody famous.
In a hospital. Nursing together. Go Cats.
Oh, go Cats.
Sweet Frost Club. At a children's hospital.
Where?
Children's hospital.
Cool. Wait, I'm going to start a fight. Ready? Group leader. I'm the group Where are we going?
I'm finding my key.
Oh, I was actually talking to Lacey. You just said.
For the photo.
We gotta run it back.
We should end it there. You have to end it there.